Let's code out our reverse words algorithm and start by defining reverse words as a function that takes in a string as a parameter. The first thing that we want to do inside of this function is create an array of all the words in our string. So we will say variable words array equals string.split on every space character. We then want to define an empty array to push all of our reversed words into after we have reversed each of them. So we will say variable reversed words array equals an empty array. We now want to loop through every word in our words array, reverse that word, and push it into our new reversed words array. We will do this with a for each loop. So we will say words are dot for each word. Now we have access to each word in the array. Now, since we do not want to use the array reverse method to reverse our words, simply to help us solidify our skills with our array and string manipulation, we have to find another way to reverse each word. We will do this by looping through every letter in our word backwards, instead of forwards, like we are used to doing, and we will add each letter to a new string. So the first thing that we want to do in here is define an empty string to build our reversed word from. We will say variable reversed word equals an empty string to start with. Now we want to loop through every letter in our word backwards and add it to this empty string. We will do this with a for loop. So we will say for variable I equals words.length minus 1, while I is greater than or equal to 0, we want to decrement I by 1 on every iteration, so I minus minus. You can see here that our loop is starting at the last character in our string, and we are moving backward to the first character in our string, which is at index 0. So far in this course, we have only used for loops to go in the opposite direction, forward. Inside of our loop, we will add the current letter to our reversed word. So we will say reversed word plus equal to the word at position I. That will add the letter at position I in our word to the reversed word. Great. Then, outside of this for loop, after all the letters have been added to our reversed word string, but still inside of our for each loop, we want to push our completed reversed word into our reversed words array. So we will say reversed words array dot push the reversed word. Great, so now there is only one thing left to do. Down here, outside of both of our loops, we want to return our final reversed words array as a string. So we will say return reversed words array dot join and pass in a space character. And that is it. That is our reverse words algorithm. Let's test it to make sure that it works correctly in the next video. See you there.